So this is Jermaine. Now, somewhere around 1980s. That's just a disco. That I'm kind of dance. A war the disco so by yeah. That pop ni a high life idea be only introduce you pa. Say you disco yes sa na or sa saka na or sa any no sa saka no sa just say abrante saka kama Next and it's I say I Kevin MC around kakra no and the any kills jelly. Sometimes I can jelly no is oh Jermaine was one brilliant musician. In the 1980s they know Gina Soa. 1985 made that case be a court so that fake court in Sember later. Jermaine Bayer suffer. Auntie Jim Major no at the dear grow Juma Numasas. I don't friend Ghana Michael Jackson. You were saying you were fun when yes, I Michael Jackson pelling bicycle. Oh, where we oh Jim Major. Hey. So that's what I look at. And then you wear about say, hey, just see for him, you bow. God does this. Hey, that time not pop music. Jiramu pa. Rere mwa mi ebesa adwa yanki munso kakra. Ye mwa sa time culture center na. Jabire na Ethiopia na. Akwa bi every time be a whole boss. Na odi baby akọ. Yeah, rather than nyame. Me susa. Man any jenny yet vibes no pa. Alright, I pay to us that ya didn't come so teachers no. Be now my July pa. Sir, I catch you a care moo that fay your might said the situation. Ababa could have been yaka pen if you don't know but Tommy man I'm rahu. I was saba no can you sue or tea. That's how you ask yourself, is it a crime to be a teacher? Or to work for government. Now, say, Sadia Warren Idris Minister for Education, Becca, I say, he only moves. He only does his work when it comes to finance. Wabra, Ato Forcing, who is the Minister for Finance, Minister Honorable Ato Forcing. I'm gonna go ahead and now say, Yamana, Sikaya letting so financial clearance about this scale group, then they can move. So now that the ministry is saying, sir, Sikano will release it so that they can pay one watcher at the up to now entry. It's a good news for us, but we hope and pray, sir, Sikano Ababa in the quantity that they deserve. And quiet, Chinabini artists, a biakum, Nebia, say, I warring. A hard drink. So this morning we'll be looking into that. Now, me krata and mofa krata into sumami. There is a letter. Some of these things. Now, also Electricity Company of Ghana. Almost so a meeting. Now, what the meeting is about, don't be a press conference, but Bunting. I have some of the release. We'll be looking into it. But this is the letter from Ghana Education Service. The distribution, all regional directors, approval for payment of salary arrears associated with utilization of 2024 financial clearance for GES. Barbara Penagrat for the money. Reference is made to the letter BOCPMU MOE 2024 FC arrest 26/04 from the Ministry of Finance to the Controller and Accountant General Department. Management of the Ghana Education Service hereby inform all regional directors that approval has been granted by the Ministry of Finance for the payment of salary arrears by CAGD to eligible staff of GS from 1st August to 2024 November. Yetuano Kranaka December, January, February, March, April. Charlie, Sanya Kakitwa Nisumu. The accruing arrears are to be paid in 5 installments per the schedule below. Until May, June, July, August. 4 months, 4 months, 4 months, 4 months. You are kindly requested, you are kindly requested to promptly convey this information to all heads of schools to ensure that all eligible staff are duly informed accordingly. GSPR. Thank you, Professor Smile Zizi Mrs. Acting Deputy Director General Miss MS for Director General. Okay, in a copy Ministry of Education, Ministry of Honorable Minister, Deputy Minister, copy of Google. So, true to their words, there have been a communique, there have been a distribution to all regional directors. Now, I don't know, regional directors here copy of Muin. Monfa cash in the two accounts, the cash and I say, but that is the most important thing. You didn't crater you or may there be uncratasa. Let us see the action. If there have been a clearance for payment, that is a good news. 1st August to November 2025. It is December, January, February, March, April. 5 months are womb. So all this while that these teachers so much are they didn't show muka. Did you no besha dia kwa cha dia kra na ebu achibidi. Sa nkrata asem ya ne sa nyama ya na ma school feeding so ye buy more free senior high school. 7 months. There are goods that is there that is distributed by buffer stock and they are non-perishable. But perishable ones, they are to be given money. 7 good months. So how do we ensure, say, Sadia Maya repeatedly, because there we have excuses for ourselves. Yeah, idea we are perinia a celebration view. Actually, I would be interested in a besanyaba. And the other na yen to be passed, I'm no poor sibre. Na yan solve this thing once and for all. What we have to see this in coming. As I told you, before they will see some of these things instead of us to prevent. They better our baby, then we see them with their jacket and what and I've been a perennial thing. And I can give days, I can give months that these things happen. But the most important thing is we are not learning from what happens. And I bet to say that is very free. And I won't say, we are bay. I'm so much for 4 months and crack. 2 August, September, October, November, 4 months, you don't know. Yeah, the amount. They are not crying, that is May, June, July, August. 4 months, 4 months, 4 months. Here we are. Here. Then there will be another 5 months. And also accrue a go. And I can't swear. And I can't swear. But those who need to have a heading. Because ministry also share the quantum of money. Also, mu clear near the barbontia. Sometimes they are near mudding. And they are mudding. And the adding to a young system new work say. We can pay it in monthly, basis. Our bra accrue what that fee, kaka. I feel to cry to pay as a minister of finance. These things are very worrying. And I must say, it's not happening on my, neither is it helping the teachers. As I imagine, say, come home. They are saying, I see a fruit pine sharping. Now, I bet you I'll never move from morning to afternoon. I'll be point goofy. Consistently, we have been doing this. There are things that are avoidable. Why? Why? So that is it. Ministry of Education, Ghana Education Service, GS. I communicate your chance on beer. I don't pay you no also ashe. But enya the part. And I ask myself, say, at that pa na ususu say besi. Sanka ministry don't ano music come say about be from August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. About 9 months. I think some of these days, I'll say, yeah, people are suspended on ministry for those who seek. Because they are worried. So sometimes looking at how we have to squeeze ourselves. We have to squeeze ourselves and get money for such situations. Yeah, not end up for more. My uncle Masona, Yanana, any combo. Nana, your boy, a secretary, my coalition of unpaid teachers. Nana, I don't pay my chair. Now, for me to say,
but on Pombo, now the Muswe.
In fact, situation by we were all not happy. Teacher no watch it na dear yes, you are better now, baby. Now I can come say, I never worry. But before see about the release, I had chance on no. Musika no how many months?
But that's so I couldn't get out their money and pay. She come no months do na akana. Means me and Casse a man who do see. Thank you, make us understand. There will be a shade master and Kono is different. We do a while there, she in July. We shall need the in August. We shall need the in September. Into June, we are the better assumption of duty. How school are years more on the now. Actually, I will say the matter. It is a mean to say, I make a say the mission with the master 1st July. Now, the young construction need the architect against her. Right, there's a market here. No, some of your course, I guess, also market here. It is a big camera. You have also made a little and your pet. And it's not mean to me and mouth, but so beyond you see. It's in our bra, we say, yes, it's in our bra. Say to me, we both say that I want the same to about 3 months within that region now. My poor shot here to us in my.
Sir, Ghana Education Service, Yaba. Now, almost the ministry needed by true Ministry of Finance. Almost Babitria a year from August 2024 to November 2025. Now, almost 4 months basis. Most of the write up about, but before I say, I'm write up. Sir, I ministry Ghana Education Service. Anyhow, the structure of Omutria, these accrued Sikaya Akam, more funny saying.
Oh, you know, now feeling me a mixed. You need to feel me a mixed, they say. Yes, you must say, at the latter part, like at the 4th quarter of 2023. It was the year 2024. Sana actually, the start fighting, no, ever. Start fighting the buyer, no. The free 2023 buy a year, Juma.
Sompa FM.
July 2024. A buy no entry. Even the start fighting the buyer, no. Validation, no, a buyer. So I get money now, I appear on the PPD. And that's just a classic and also more credit here. And so, you know, Mutia, Nina, so back against 2024, Mutia. In Kayana Kano, Muntia, I will say, maybe I was some income, Nakim. Into the sounds of the against 2024, no. What's 1 year, yes, when I dismissed by 2025 November. Almost the end of buy no validation by now we are seeing now also. Now so November the end kwa on Mutia, it begins to be about December. No almost December the end kwa no Mutia. Let us say go and show you master no. But to the I did buy an idea. A better people to the casino was on the now so we call bank I was on the no. Now so we back up any of their credit. That is the problem I face you know. The bidder also our fine. It's you know, also if the same problem. And yes, with the end, yes, you can say, you better say, it's one among the better bino, a bit mutual, the Canada May. Nothing, and I couldn't say release a bar. Yenny, you said the market be kindly and crack me at the command pay for no. We try a later, or papa shall give you free baby. That is a sometime near the. That is a quickly say. Your back when Tina, you could see the 1 billion. Yeah, you're not yourself for the being war man. You're fine. And son, I want to be able to buy in or how can you sleep? In the other now, you charge you in now. No better get you. Who you to be? That's a mammy to go years. Head of example, only in this and say, I come up for a while. You could control a woman. You saw financing my call. Into the minute here. After your brother several bit here, no matter for capture the free a particular session, I will try and make the enemy. Like I said, I will be in the home. Now, you know, so you know, running so say, the same treat you be equally, the whole be demand. Then, my take preference, I'm only so moving to remove the enemy, with me a trader. It's out to demand the Ikaye. I'll buy a school one of our, who follow Buku. For attendance, we could ready to be peer person from here. Just say, you do my young class already. I want to say, that bring you do my. And so, at the number, first month to validate all the months are not can ship you so. Why is it good to see your company for where you do my. And the city also tell my win to my. Into the seminar person, you get why and see us in the car and about yeah, and see the here. Now, okay, this is better to carry with you.
Not just mental was there's a discrepancy. Accrue from 2023, but I in 2024.
Yes, 2024, maybe I'm sure 2024, you know. And I will not say which you would let us any starting from last quarter of 2023 to any January 2024, but from July 2024, the idea. I'm catching young Pahon. That is any other way was in the city. When I'm person which said a crack and a idea. New ones you do mano. Documents name crack at the idea that you do mano.
Nane, what I secretary, I am be a more track or no more mission, more meetings days nana.
Yeah, or me today to know. In crack, I be crack so. Then you look me up. Oh, what a man. I met me up a person and cut out of the ascendant. I am cut to the cat for the command before I treat a breako.
Sompa FM.
I never meant to say.
I make a mistake you crano 2024 more baby may you know to you come on. If I started with my news, and on 2 occasions. It's me a car, once a man can capture a story, no? Oh, we use movie in 2024. If I ain't craft, I did about them.
I know machine no the egu.
I need your machine go. My man is a person, but yeah.
All right. Nana yane Daniel Fenny Bedi Comonia ministry so the Omunim Fawe.
Okay.
Let me get back to you.
Okay, that's the plan.
Nana Yabua Anaya Stretcheni coalition of unpaid teachers. Just the coalition na just it should be backtracked to 2023. 2023 no mashia gua ababe drew August 2024. It is a July 2023 cry. July 2023. August. That's a much about 1 year. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Be not about a year. 2023 they their plans last year. I don't know shall say 2024. And this payment here from August 2024 to somewhere November 2025. What it means in a say, the previous year one, which is year 2023, I know the omu and capture. Now the name says so wutia car. Ebi better when him said the nyame bo amusi mutia from 2024 July. Edi akwa kopiem ewo 2025 November. That is a 2026 no 2025 December and 2026 up to April no eye car mo bede. It is like a triaka dia, you tria free the base. They say the base can be asem. You tria free form. And the form now ye tria free no. What it means is like come be tria from anya foundation kickstart from July 2023. Nebia ma ho den be so a year. Nebia ba be pm be November 2024. That is that they accrued for 2024 November, December to 2025. That's a scan be homo. Hey, I've got just this scan. Yabe go sorry there. Did you? But said the labor and some run can. Even Toronto crack can or dancing or baby say, O Jumayeni Aketria Efatano. 2023, Ejako 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026. Oh, the one man came to his allowance. I don't know why Daddy is not picking because Betias here, a type one now say Bia omission because I just want to understand it. Okay, all right, we'll try and get him. Barbara Munguso. Manya ministry that Mumuramo years so. Now, because ABA mission and now say be a type and now say coalition for now phone when so. Hey, now only command the boys not you. Our for any mammy for command you much. Because somewhere 2023, 2024, 2025 or 2026, 2026 grado, you hope to me April Mudia. 48 months. Plus 4, which is around 32 months. 1 week, come on, manager.
Obedi mejo so. Obadi adawroma. I hear so. I hear so. TBI fine. Akadi nipa be ye dia buo nipa. Yes. Yes. Nyametiase.
Very, very important.
Nyametiase bibia be fine.
I bet some dosso. Agents so the OSBD that switching. Right, His Excellency Dr. Baumia, former Vice President So Kasai, in fa Achichi Yamo, and teachers in Sudi, Ababashim, KGT in Sudi, and Su Ugumwa, Ayasemu.
Obeni nyasem ketwa. Adopai ma minika na wase for this opportunity given me say mene yati for so eni nkomo na yenche ne ma ba komienu. When if you also am na yati for say still they are with us in this hard times. Nyami sha omo yeni so omo bre pa ne womo so a dani de nyina omo pe atiensem eri afri ho because so many say idi atnasia nsem no se de atie no ye de bebre omo ye de omo ase ye ni so ye omo special good morning no so anope na mamemfa achechefo di enhyase ansana mababe pimo ye attorney general ho ensensemi menim se ane na nado dan kwaku for administration and Ade ka from 2023 a teacher for ka and area be 2024 about 2025 and they are 2026. I think say I was the president of the republic currently or tinanim na fi so o ma teacher for who say Kwame odwene wo mo ho o ma teacher for who say wo mo son nebo o ma teacher for who say o mo dana koma so o ma a teacher for na church for who say wo mo dwuma na wo mo ye no e adwuma so a e de boa oman na e adwuma so oman fruma ehim e wo honum because say your research bedim say yenkoda yetiti omonne benyina be yempenyine pa say ye betumi identify the skills the potentials ikuta ye mofra enne na yetumi ape a path de amoma faso say ye betumi identify nkoda enne na ochina Ghana na ye pen ye kasi ye ko agribusiness ye kasi ye ko technology ye kasi ye fa ye industrialization ye kasi ye fa ha ye betumi anya chirechirefo a mo be prepare nkoda no from wo basics na finso wama basics no aye strong na ye di nkoda na ku wemu ho na de minor epe no ye tumi anya. We must be deliberate to prepare the future of your next generation by way of training them in what we identify said they can do and the skills they possess. And if it will be possible for all of this, say it begins with a teacher. It begins with a teacher. Teacher ni and will be taking this burden and this cross. Nothing so wabwa atinity akwada no church akwada no side akwakurem. The entire Shasia Meka said President of the Republic like on sheni honi munyam wa church for issue yi ehun nothing so one thing anim no ma church for who say wo mu hu hia wo mo ene say under the administration ene ye hunu ye tete ye say teacher for what arrears be ya be 12 months 24 months 3 years ni be ya 2 or more 3 months pe e believe that scar on president ni administration ni body e believe a certain perception in the minds of a church for say weighing a president dia your munti and nenso or say yeah it only sends a message to a teacher for say Kamia is a president of the republic by name John Dramani Mahama and shada and pet teacher for some na ni enko teacher for if not so per the calls we've just made this morning, no collation here monso kasaye because Nagrat Natin Nasofo ye weak to speak for these teachers. Ghana Education Service is weak to speak for these teachers. They are so weak to make a point for these teachers before authorities. No one will say, and Kofoyi Omuhu here, and Kofoyi Omo Somo, and Kofoyi. A juma mo ya dia mo man no e juma enna form e juma esomo and e juma e be define the future of Ghana. Mr. President, anope to sana moyi morenimra o bia o ministers no na enkanchewa me sure say we bia wota social media ko tietie nsema no pay you will chance on Sompa FM ene me Kwame me plia me di tu anim ne nsem ya me di tu anim say one year oba beja edin bi any perception be in the hands of a teacher for no one year say obi kaso be ye politics out of it obi to media ye na ebe generation to come maybe ebe wash away just like some perception about NDC maybe ya na fresh shanty region fe na e fade away no year sa perception no ebe sha se so sa we na fe ababe nyine na ababe ka ho. Sit with these teachers. Mr. President, pe acheche foyi na oni omontrase, oni omonin komo, ya hu se labor union no they only act when they see say bodies ahodo bi threatened with strike and nampo omako strike and niema esena ansa na omaka omo ho hase na wosenke yeti labor union for so enka say one from coalition of concerned teachers. How come the government owes you like months of arrears ya onyantua mokrata e kire sampa aban no employ mo ewo sa afi enduma mo ye die nso na kire say wo mu ntua moka so that they can take it on and not to leave it to be like this. Neninam. I say ebe escalate na fe na ye ba be hu se more function. Yes remo. E brenu nie. We dey mu hu say mo ye proactive and not reactive. More active with swiftness, with speed. Yes remo. Na achirechefo ye bia wo mo mfi na enyini ye enti omu hu kwan ombefa so no magye omusika wo mo mfi na enyini ye enunti ana ama mpanyifo emu omo entwe omo ni nhwe omo a. These institutions are there. Take over. Fight for them. Can education service mo nyan so say de bia mo twen this aban na aba ka we na mo nso mo ba be communicate momma achirechefo nya hotoso ne ani da so mu say mo kon e dia mo munyani da so ne hotoso mu say Ghana Education Service is responsible for the welfare of teachers. And they will go every length and breadth to fight for teachers. It shouldn't be the optics say mo de mo ti ho din na mo nsa gugu mo ti sa yente hwimfa mviri mo. It shouldn't be that. Anopai a chopper. And I made a part Ghana Education Service, made a part the President of the Republic, the Ministry of Education to do something about it. Because anyesa na se daily minimum wage no kura na mo tiaso. Mrana mo hye a governor man na mrado mo ankasa kura mo toto na se. Say a private individual bi betumi employ bi no ade ne ka be ye bosumi de odo ntua. Obi antumi nye obi ahwe. You are the leaders. Set the pace. Be an example to these institutions. Say women take advantage of the vulnerable Ghanaian youth, of the vulnerable Ghanaian population. Unemployment. Ababeye at the Kessie Owoye. President, be an example. Na feel so ochina bi wo hwepo institution bi private institution bi say wade na dwuma ya foka bosome mienu bosome miensa o de ne famra kwan so watumi de na fa because a private institution also ekas one also per man so no also be refer say na say wo aban kra na wo employ man for no utumi di o maka say wo kra ye de goman sika kra de hye so man sika kuta wo no kwan we na audit memufo efa so na me private entity a me bre enye sika nti monte obetumi afa kwan bi so ni wa a debate a argument because ye nim say Ghana ya mamra no ya kasi ye chirichiri mu time bia all of the time ya nya baby de fa ne ya chiri mu ana ba be favor obi. It is interesting when it comes to the interpretation of our law. enti yesre anopai moma mani nko Kwame to the Attorney General issue no amanfo church and semua the legality said the mu the brebre mu na sefo forgetting say constitution e kuta ye no mo chiro no brofo forgetting say before the creation of the office of the special prosecutor article 88(4) it created that room Attorney General a second year G2 mu and ye diko create it will create a given authorization, given permission to that office to exist and to perform a certain function, which is corruption and corruption related offenses. Yeba be create no Attorney General. Say be anya this administration crowd na yenim sa Attorney General office no dey exist aban bia ba dey hia ne say ye po bi e ba no be hweso Attorney General office no e ma ho kwan say yen delegative powers emfama a certain office for that office to operate and now say wanya sa and for the purposes of the operation no the functions or the operate any did they authorize the creation of that office or not? It's a simple answer this morning. I'm asking. Say the Attorney General. Say it then. Say it now. Cry. A Ghana Attorney General. Say what we did to moon based on Article 88(4). Say young creative office be na powers ni be delegating for more no fundi juma. E be ka say authorization no mu bisa say. I'm asking this question. Say authorizations no are they saying say day-to-day cases office of the special prosecutor no. Ebe 2-1 amono and no na mo pese obade bia no obeji authorization e di free Attorney General ho ana say what kind of authorization are they talking about? They should give us that explanation and let us understand, unless otherwise e bia emra no ne borofo nko ni nchire mu nko ene munya se mo tro no English say nyina betumi aka ne ate ase na mo nkope emra no ne language mfa ma no na mo mfa nchro and ye baba mu chire mu ya hu se enya brofo a ye kan a ye beti ase and so what you are saying ya te ase mu mfa ndi juma Kwame permit me na minya exercise kitwa bi article 88(1) or say there shall be an Attorney General of Ghana who shall be a Minister of State and the principal legal advisor to the government. 1. 2. The Attorney General shall discharge such other duties of legal natures as may be referred or assigned to him by the President or imposed to him by this Constitution or any other law. Are they saying these two say? Are they saying these two so pair or more explanation or more when it comes to office of the special prosecutor? Now you kind 2 years say the Attorney General shall discharge such other duties of legal nature as may be referred or assigned to him by the President. As may be referred or assigned to him by the President. The cases be a President and referred to Attorney General or assigned to Attorney General and then Attorney General 2-1 no, because of the existence now as the office now and man who continue it is assembly no son ba maybe obey say be brifu President say case we na ekoso we na aba e na eko until my President and ma me assign you be amva man answer na hakoyo President now appointing a pay you take over now for the wo be was as Attorney General for the interest of the nation no take you over no why they should stop belittling our intelligence. We read, and when we read we understand. 3. Also the Attorney General shall be responsible for the initiation and conduct of all prosecutions of criminal offenses. And 40 all offenses prosecuted in the name of the Republic of Ghana shall be at the suit of Attorney General. And abrofuno they are to say or any other person authorized by him in accordance with any law. In accordance with any law. So this 88 gave birth to the creation of office of the special prosecutor say wo bra wo case oba be yini and I wo hwe act no so and the functions nso ewom and na be bia refer authorization from the attorney general because the attorney general allowed the office to exist. They should tell us today say the attorney general didn't allow the office of the special prosecutor to exist. Into the existence no kura no enumremu to yemmentungu. They should tell us that. Mko school kakra na mko nya certificate mama nyini say monkwa na monkan amotiase o. There are a lot of things they detify, they read, they understand, and they seek for legal explanations to understand it better. And some go to the extent of consulting literature in English to understand brofuna a woman. Because aside they say a yemra no kwame a brofu. Inti a brofo no e wontiase ne nchiremu to it. Do you want to mean ka say your love for brofo and your normal brofo akwame menu yesi ayeka. You can't tell me that. You can't give me these excuses and this explanation. Into omo person who use authorization nko e di ye enchirebu e di gina so say basis say one man authorization and the office nankasa akura no wo mo bi kan create ye no we have to hold them responsible because wo mo ni kwan say ko mo create na office nankasa so no office of the attorney general so ma kwan and ye kokko bie ya adnance wa ma kwan. You see, they should stop all of these things, all of this agronomy dey adwene edi no na fe yenti ase unless otherwise omo agenda bia omo fi say eno na so omo dey special prosecutor office in the first one e betumi aboa o mine. They should let us know that agenda. They should carry us along. They should explain to us. They should give us details. Because at the end of the day, say at the end of ba Ghana for ne be responsible for it. Say ye ne egitu mu em office na exist here and na ye nyantum em na exist here and now say exist here but ye nyina ye egitu mu say ye tu na mo we are na beboa as a nation. We should have a path. We are all charting. Ye nyina ye ntiase na nkonko ye say we munam ha there be. This isn't a NPP NDC course ni on agenda. Na me chance on press conference bi ya manyantia say yes e be koso enne me hear say Kwame mehu ananka me de atudwa de amount say enne e be koso minority no e be press conference ya che say e be Kwame almost minority press conference topic a coordinated attack on Ghana's anti-corruption fight. Azebo Huna demo okay. Yes sir. Yes.
Na yakache se de besi bia oba ya ni bedin komo. Ya kwa homaso anopai baba Amando sunyane is communication officer. Recently ya na police invite no emusem there is all over. Baba anopai ma che.
Me Zuminian.
Now promise saying
na me no pa badaro ma wa mbehwe media e wo sell de me hu ye. Mummy no ma me media nyame ado me hu ye.
Baba na nyoma ti say.
But don't say.
Now nyoma ti say so first time experience will be say dey been told that.
Oh, I've been told me that. But you see in the democracy, I be much more there. Democracy nyoma ama candidate ama candidate hu dey. Of course, I may say, but we are not perturbed at all. Until Chanakwa, the demonstration, the president said, I say now, Jatana way, Muno, no. The president should be ready because we will criticize him at every level, at every point in time. So, the go to Mawumi brain, Mama, that can watch them say, and yet, no one can again, and you better.
And the way now, you demonstration.
No, now the entire chairman of Crown or doing one of us say yes, according to cyber security, or more routine checks on social media, no intercept some post to Ade Akye Abia madrasa president so ba no madrasa your friend is saying Charlie Sofusukwachi Samsuna Sam George any as LGBT4 and the media cause fear and havoc in the country cause fear and havoc in the country but cause fear and havoc in the country I put la ilaha illallah and indeed you didn't invite you on Bono region because do I say your Bono region when I'm a lawyer try that is my first lawyer part of the man I afraid that to almost young coffee friend say me lawyer can say and you had your best friend no more friend officer be taking on national headquarters cyber security so cyber security and invite him
regional for
but national for na obed no but I say be a man tini yenti na report to that's what it is and it's report but what I heard was Bono because I called him better but all the same and the lawyer any amudin komoyana bra I said that be say most sadia and the client no kono ko prepare national no pama fly no e the number first thing in the morning almost that be or a high level or say a high level suspect high level suspect you take custody almost and transporting black crashes here bra men crofo ne ba ya meka saka so na share the handcuff at 2 men samasa near the near so pick up you drew Accra a little over 3 hours
wow
bra na can play me who be that na me say a little over 3 hours bra I am telling you me say speed the power no omodi siren na speed no me who be that me who be that bra fishi na nipa mienu kuratuo e fa ne say right hold on today dia ba ne kuratuo investigator to me check kuratuo ya masa for escort on so fa e fa say dey 100 rounds so dey ni kura no ene e dey handcuff aguminsa ena me tin fifiri bra na e dey me ko mi be didi a handcuff semensa mi be junsa handcuff semensa mo ye boni be na maye almost me high level suspect omo de omuni man no
so handcuff ni go from
Shinyani to Accra
what
mi be do ye omo tan dodi mi nipa na o come ho no mo sili fo mo dodi no ena na bi mo on minority leader deputy minority shape and your mama can lawyer Jeba forum quickly and I be more borrow before more na ya sinin chairman no muslim na say I have nothing to say until my lawyers are here e ho Accra ho no mo de o ma print ya idea say baba Amando o page ni we na o post here president mama LGBT can ho what they say about into what cause fear and panic in the country hey since when Alex was telling this Dr. Baumia de la Bia no Kuran Sasa Kura talk. Fear and panic got the NHA. Yet to Dr. Baumia no the LGBT to Nani. Nana do down kwa kufa do kwa de yet me drone to say sabi nana fatame. Uni ma boakro. It me chin him to say fear and panic. Okay, mama me lawyer mbra. Wana minority dan na bi no magwa o ajeba for no. Our client is right. We are his lawyers, and therefore, if you have anything, let's go to court. You will not speak. I'll give me bail. No, man, bail 100,000. Bail 100,000. Then it was signed by my lawyer. And I'm say okay to say my lawyer here, of course. I'm so anyway, but no connection, no member, na possibly making a phone or not, you know, and then the same card now. I was using the phone. Possibly. But I am betting the prayer more. I won't buy my phone, mammy. But I must say, so Jimmy Bowser and Baba Jimmy SIM card name phone. So, Maria, Meduya, I must say, there's a directive from Social and Family Court 9 immediately. I said, what? You're granting me bail. Why Court 9? Now, quickly, Nana B. Quickly, just fair lawyer, back for minority leader. Before Mundu Court 9, na me lawyer for minority leader. Na ko bo nshira only lawyer Ajeba for. And lawyer Jerry, Ahmed Jerry. Minority and lead counsel. Obi what demo obi who do here prosecutors in the case. No, want to tell the pastor because prosecutor no kura misa for remand. One request for remand from the judge. Judge na remand ni. Also. And in
remand one na ni say.
Because prosecutor throughout the submission never requested for even judge be saying, what do you want me to do? Prosecutor they say, oh, hear me, obey me for further investigations. So my lawyer submitted through a phone marking. Say, minya flight risk, your permanent a permanent place of abode.
Yeah.
And me and Kata me law abiding, me and me that. Judge say and change the way who are this man go for expert for ye. Nje own twin country yes. Judge is not to the who prosecutor also me nyɛ den ma o investigation or by assist with investigations. The investigations, you know, even facts on the paper, no. Investigate another facts, and they not several lawyers. One choice of further investigation, because after the investigations, and no more coming with those charges, you know, some are causing fear and panic. And my lawyers protested again. They just shut it down. But he is my Lord. To me now, and therefore this happened. And my Lord, need discretion, and of course, I was so who said, in giving bail, at the discretion of the court. My Lord said, I be mean for them. Some of them be no more investigation. My Lord, imagine me for we a investigation be my lawyer send a premium year. No more me call cantonment cell. Make I need in show. Adding criminal, and I'm the outburst and some The youth must read about JB Dankwa. The president will pay someday. Because you see, I said to any other man, and eventually, let me call cantonment. It's a different lifestyle altogether there. First time.
Wow.
But I was resilient, focused.
Wow.
Because we say, I will not allow President Mahama to gag me, never in this country. Because President Kufuor did not gag them. Criminal treaties, so eventually,
okay, sir, design no.
Yeah.
Missy case in Iran say, I didn't show me.
Yes, no, young guys have a cabby and Nimian, picture, no, and one no. And that court is here, wow. Be being nothing of all my posts are my year, law all this while. Be being counts are posting. Picture, artworker, Malik Basintelli, a digital macro, some agent from what did you want, my yet change here, be almost my yellow. And this is what is happening. So I'm going to go cantonment, my lawyers again. Led by minority and lawyer Jeba for any honorable lawyer, Ahmed Jerry, deputy minority chief of a court high court. They prayed with the court. The court saw wisdom in their pay, and they granted me bail. And a little bit of trust in the system again, because one court, according to me, I felt the judge was not fair to me. Not at all. Okay, telling me right. But that is what the law. Perhaps I prescribe a man, but another superior court I corrected that anomaly. And my time in the south, I mean, and into me, no, because I crown. The director, my lawyer said, I don't feel comfortable seeing that judge presiding over my case, and therefore, my lawyers have filed an application for him to recuse himself so that the chief justice will appoint a different lawyer, possibly. So we are hoping, sir, in your lordship, granted na yakoso, because I don't feel safe at all in the hands of my lordship. To be honest, yes.
Wow. And say the conditions normally buy after your baby.
Yes, after every 2 weeks, but the next court date is 20th May.
Oh, okay.
So you remember what so let's roll. Me nyani pa me free some pa e wo me demonstration. Honorable Seke and honorable Ajako. Mr.
Tiachina no more yan or hang and fan.
Yes, I tell free cocoa board. Post office work.
near the Aba minority the Muina Beba.
Oh, that's
Party is like an being Mina Beba.
What is the focus of this demonstration?
Yes, Una no. Yeah, they can't Una. And the Abako Swab Ghana Hobai. Yabako Swab and Mabuno Hobai say, Among Kasa, na leader ya dear, a bit say, a clear Fosika, what a super what is say, Shim, Yanka, one better. A bit say, and Mabuno Nessa for almost all areas won't ya. A bit is teachers for all areas won't ya. A bit is only a gold. The mine quite $15 billion. Black voter $8 billion. Or the amount ya. Oma meba o papa as president. Emeyenga onu gona Ghana ni. Nti sa no mani na no. Ye mo stop him from speaking about it. And the doom so Kumase. And the doom so one crying. E manfo nyima egu. And the maburu nya adwuma nye. And no na so mo focus on. We will keep on reminding them until they do what is right. Omo boss LGBTQ no. Yes, Akufo-Addo and sign. Waba sign. They said also your priority. Oko UN Security Council. Oko e wan to aba no. E na oko e na kwa ujane ye. Oza LGBT efiri ho. K International Forum ewo Ghana ewo Kempinski Hotel just about last week. We remind them. Timinia. Ade ba kokora na experience tema ya chime kankof egumi nsakora no. Ina me catch police for no say mo ba ya 10 11 months mo rent allowance to amunya ye. Mo say ba chime. No more just serious. Almost as well, only serious. No more say. And no, also to more rent alarm. Police for number two more rent alarm was a camp president mama. 1 year 2 months here to many here, and we'll continue to remind him.
All right, Baba. Actually, we'll be there. We show the very best. We are happy. Me am back Kumasi and me aduma next week. That is.
Na ya transi ya dinkumu.
Baby. Baba Mando, Sunyani is communication officer. Recently, needing all over about arrester. Omu arresting all in the name of LGBT Kill Plus and send some abaye. OCP Ghana Limited say no payment control say. Fertilizer na also nya ebra season yadri. Na fertilizer dia, na fertilizer obeje NPK fertilizer obeje NPK fertilizer. Na NPK fertilizer no yo 15. Eno ya mamwa mudi atoso dia nya doa mokontosu. Ane cereal emu ya kan say mu yi eburomo ne de akeka ho no. Mo hia OCP fertilizer papa no. Baby besadi. Oba de share no aye ne prekunti wo hia MPK 15 OCP ada make come for the amount. Mo amodia legumes ne so mesam mo de ne ye OCP TSP and ye legumes. Na cereal any vegetables ne de mo hia OCP 15 and OCP 10 na aboamo pa emmanuaba ye fe ahodi wom utwa aduaba ni ma otim say yes said nyame hihye na nye yanum de ya utwa asentosu ne mu green red yellow colors sa nyame anye ntosu sa enti fertilizer dia season ya be ko ba bia ye ton agrochemicals fertilizer ni chichu na so pe OCP fertilizer eno anebeboa wo adopa we biscuit na enye biscuit bia keke dia ya ne se owo baby na pe quick na wari bibi na say for time being no etimi ama oyema toso kakra ama ho etimi ayeden no unya Royal King Cracker biscuit ibi na Royal King Cracker biscuit ye na ebo hospital ana wo hospital okosere obi afa bitum na fa koma no mo amoye mazi mo amwo adwuma ahodo mu offices mu ase komde onu na lunch nso ya na akọ lunch aba no owi biscuit ana akro no adwuma ne do so ntimi ko lunch we Royal King Cracker enya King Cracker bi akeke Royal King Cracker na me kan fo mo anopai biscuit a de kwada ni ko school fa bi show mu bag mu if you say our battery taste kama a very rich and crispy snack a light and so the mawa or ya airbow a royal king cracker biscuit and a make come for the amount Kingdom Herbal Center and a coffee by Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters. Omone a year go for the garlic a bitters and capsules no bianye bi. Our maimu over 15 years a drone man for that so no any good results. Say immune system no na so boost to na stronger. Unya Kingdom Garlic Capsules and in bitters. So person release stress a stress releaser pa. Garlic bitters no Kingdom for the na here. Anxiety, arthritis, swap also, fatty treaty, hypertension, stroke, heart disease, wakuma bo peri wakuma hu enseminya kra. Cholesterol na do dore o Mr. Onya Kingdom Herbal Center for Kingdom Garlic Capsules and in bitters. And a Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no boa mema ne ye ma mema. Na o sexual weakness mpem wa ho adin ko ye usisi na ye ya. Mr. do justice to adwuma no. Etunya Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. And mental stress. And answer upe sufficient energy, physical energy. Or the backward of power, the backward food, better radio, TV, so I can someone want to want and tin. Sebong de sitai, a Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. A man also is a new free, modern tremendous capsules. Tremendous capsules are naturally formulated every mama. And no abwama in fuel, a kama. A wholesome year smooth. Bibia sham kama etunya tremendous capsules and beboa infections menstrual disorder bad odor ni nyina yase edroi eye papa anope bomodia na Kingdom Herbal Center occasion drug lane any pharmacy shop bia any herbal shop bia benya biato o maimu ni ntwo ni ntwa so 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 Kingdom ana no challenger. Arapai 21st clinic omna sciatica expert 21st clinic ni sciatica expert ni a clinic on its own esaya de bia yenro ni monten entibra clinico ni ehwe oniema odro ya laboratory service wa ba yehwe mogam nya so ba na ya ma odro dabi se wo se twa scan na betwa no ho ansa nya ma odro to say clinic on its own. Your branches over 15 branches at Dawson. For numbers in the friend, baby, a bell near Mwako. Call center near active 24 hours a day. 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311. Doctors need good or more about tre. To first claim the yes or bananas be me and phone so no video bet. Hello baby, hello sweetheart. Or Henny, how are you? That be 21st year magnus in Ibia and Zanzi Munu. So sissy na yo ya. Usisi ne twenwa besu nase ya dear friend sciatica e de yade kase na ebandi so anu ansa na kase na bubu agu mesraw sciatica ya de dangerous enti meso wa abomoden na no pay bra 21st ne nhwew ye de machine hwew no ne de ye body massage papa bi physiotherapist o ma ben e hodom ye medical massage ne de ma ho ama ho atimi ato ama ho ayo kama Tachima your GN Bank, Omodan Dada ni Honio, and Cransa ye Bohopoti, Sunyan Teaching Hospital, Canin Sunyan Regional Hospital, and in the DNM Accra or Tantra Hill, or Boise or Council Quarters, called Junction, while Kumasi. Yes, Yapoti, Sompa TV in a wasro, and no more form. Yanirian Mafa Radio in a bank, so I don't pay Bomodia and a break. That also be fire. Tago about Mr. And in the capsules, Tago ye. Erectile misfunction away. Bema de ma more the bridge ma de ni jingu kaskala. Emma fe just say we are hobia and brawo chiapans. Chia hwini. Near the answer tintin so debida. A debida. Ah, na kenya baby this year. Bema de was so boy juma gidi. O boy juma say sure you have done justice to the job. That's a justice near juma penny. Erectile misfunction and nyakra. O ya bema no waki crash him wash your African way. And so massa bedru dem na chese edi guase na de ba mema onya to go heba mister onya tinka ba mo onya tinka then your boka oba so onya tinka low libido mister infections ahudo nyina onom ta go heba mister and the capsules ebe boa drugstore ne pharmacy shop bia abadi ho okone bi ni wa ne ho drugstore na pharmacy shop enye papa ntodru obiom 0243228296 0243228296 Tago heba Mr. Ene capsules ane boano pe RSYD Novigi studio a ebo amamu amuyi movie mu amoye sketty mu amoye documentary your state of the art equipment or hot mat is a pixels is a camera nie professionals photographers omuso ho mu twitwa mfonyini kama anope ye won kran ye wo Malam Abiase first Kokroko Street ho ana behuyen mesraw hye no so se wiase Ghana fa na nyina be bia be free bia beba entinya dia number ba se 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 asore nkoko mo ya anniversary number see streaming mamu kama twamfonyin na se onya memory RSYD Novigi Studios or see become reality for booking afei let's create something extraordinary together RSYD Novigi Studios and Efrewi Arapa abejafo atenase abejafo bedi nkomodia na Roman Father Nedro no Father Martin Seba Mr. Omuna ma abejafo atenase anopai Father Martin Seba Mr. Roman Father Nedro no edra we dia ondoma se edro we dia frinyame eye divine ankasa yade ada so akọ acha enko awako a enkonti broni friend chronic mesra no patient nso na bo homoden na ekope Roman Father Nedro no Father Martin Seba Mr. eno anedu wakagina mu bomoden abubobi na the numbness honam na ayo tititi eye free honum sa enso so na stroke abubu obi agudam Roman Father Nedro ni bi man wate sa enso na eye honam na yo ya honam ayo betebete uhu di onyo hu Roman Father Nedro ni ba mu a ade nyina beyeye Roman Father Nedro na ye dra ya de bia onuma because e divine eboa ma ho atimi atop pa anopa Justice kwaku atenase yes miamnia justice baba no watenase sanso na baby di shemi hu na chema fe man yi papa anzo ya no atwasi na ze baby di she hwenwoma bi yo na me ne wa baby di she aka Ashanti communication team ma MPP hu baba nso gina ma the National Democratic Congress baby di she anope ma chen
Mira mejo so
ombom te say
erade no mehwefo bibi die hia me oh Nkwantabisa se me kansa ma so betima ya hia no pay
okay
free say me ma school fees wo ho se metua ya to petrol
ya to petrol
sa na ade no wo 14 ni e de ko 19 ni ye sa de ba 17 a me pa cho 14 na ne ho no aye de yentum yente petrol so ya to petrol bra ya to tonkane abum enen kane no kura bi nya ebi mu na what ya say enti se metena ha ade be chia me be bia mete me da sumu nyame na ye madom se matade ne mato san ho
adum ni de omudundum no
what ya say enti bra se metena ka se bibi hia me na me kɔ na me kane ane ye nsoe na me complainia don't you think say nyankopon ne bu befu me de o ka se bibi hia na bibi hia no na bibi hia na me osoro kra se bisa hwehwe bom udwe se bibi hia wa obeka sa asem no awurade ne mehwefo no ye fact ensesa but osoro ne asase nim se bibi hia me na me bisa until I get the right things.
And I say, Baba is my tune, man. Make sure that's so green.
Okay. Emilia, and I pray the better. I'm here. Say, no way, pa. You this also one year. And the uncle pass it.
Mama and Conco, Mono so. Ara, not about me, your name. But go share party for now, come on by it. No, say, Ghana democratic credentials, no. As they say, the idea, they say, yeah, they to formatate so. Do you think, sir, the recent happenings, you know, every time I can say democratic credentials, no, a idea, yeah, they are to formatate so. Maybe
Nana, anopay, medawase. Na mediani die ama wo watiefo ene wahwefo de ote krare ne brare ngoma so no ono ye nchia no nana no pay wakoa mishirawo mede nchia no ebi ebema me former member of parliament Mira Johnson Kwakuadu yempotem ho afo no southwest ye to ne din bi ye fe no Sompa hene ti se me ba ha bia ne din ne di kan ba metirim fi se obo adwuma pa me wia na me de nchia no kese pa ama the current member of parliament honorable Eviso Semensa da pa do bribe ne nyuma pa ene no Sompa nioma wo ya eso ani nti no mrantie ne mabawa no efe no okumkom me no kasa ya no pay ono so media journey so bia obo adwuma som no constituency den me chia ono so anopay na masre me constituency enioma ekoso wo honom no yasre mpanimfo a eka bi ewom the opinion leaders wo honom omfo ma no ntumu bi na nado danko akufuado ne nyansan mu oboa ya agenda 111 ye nuanom bae eda so de tia na tie enso yewura mahama hye ye bo se wo ba enwuma bia ye de nanado dankwa ye no oba ba bewie matters of health ya na mempese ye de be politics because omampanyini dada yare omampanyini oteso sesi ye obe yare enti yesre onyo omampanyini dada oyare omampanyini oteso sesi ye wo so timi yare de what you say enti matters of health ebesre agenda 111 ebi wo me constituency afo no southwest kunsu to be precise drip machines na nado danko akufo ado ne Dr. Mahmoud Bamia di jaya ansa na omoko no yenso yensa kan bi yewura Eviso Semensa da pa edi twa mpasa so number 1 to Adiembra junction kohwe that time say de ne kwan ne faye yenia no ba ye o magyae ama mfidi a o se edi twa kwan no egu site na eye adwuma magalam say yes oti ase nti ebesre DC wo ho me enye me wanwa pi na no Wendell NDC ni Wendell sa wunim no a ebe kan say mpanimfo bi o ehwe Ashanti region so ne DCs fo ni bimpo ye galamse Ashanti regional minister wa ha ye DC wo ho say yampa dia ye be susu akasa say nyampa ne so drip machines o say ya kwan de maye no enye ne ehwehwe ne yehu ne wo site dia ye be sere omo aye coming to wasama wo dia tudwa no so no munia unim say Ghana say minim say ye boya bra yesu say ye mpese e bekasa o saa tumi na constitution dia mayen say freedom of speech no minim say ye Jeffrey Ghana mano ensemu you can't tell share the recent happenings Sunyane East communications member officer what you say hwe kwan a ye de na fa so recently baba amando edebe no ye say wakwa akoye AI emojis bi ya depict say o mampanyini ene na so afo ni bi gay for ana mo endorse gay where is this guy Tilapia mo former mo sister station Tilapia o TV3 o afa hefa na wotimi crafting anado or the AI na bi crafting anado ya ne body ni nyina ya aboa ne tinku na nipa wotimi crafting anado na sebe enkraman edwonso gu ne so. Did you ever heard say yakochi nipa bi sa ye kan obi anu atum sa akora bi kobusa anado danko akufo ado asem say why do you keep calm always even when if say the ye bisa wo ne ye wo no enye wo de no say it is ade a wono na fight for freedom of speech and perfect demonstrations for obi a person demonstration enti sa me mako apresa sa de we mra bi me amede me krasi wo se kumi preko ye ne de ape asomdwe de ama oman no ape freedom of speech de ama oman ma no na sa me na me di ani mu enne becoming a president na me sorry tia don't you think say it to be a wrong call? That was the answer na nado dankwa the macro. You see, yent na hanum say and justify the wrongs to be right. Yen can say sabe the baba mandu ye no say nya ye mona baso. Yen can say the nua e course no enya yen kan ya no ntum. But say ye can obi a was suffer injustice pa. E ye na nado danko akufuado ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Basentali Samia your friend is say Sami Jamfinum and the lights. It me call to the extreme said Dr. Mahmoud Bamia Kramoni sabe otene sumase Alhaji for that matter sabe politics inti si ebenya power nti Dr. Mahmoud Bamia e de preku nam e kotare ne ho e kan se we de to Ghana fo tirim ya nse ho wa ya mo agye ye shame ne koye because ye MPP we believe say wo se wo de tro e ne bedi wo kansi animu a tro na e beyi wo to adi ampa NDC for pre twa ntro kire Ghana for e gina so e de je tumi no enen tro na e dan wo mo adi na namba to hutie me enti say ye kan wo bia
I think you made mention of drip machines.
Yes.
Site here, Galams.
Yes.
I am told say you know ka say MC DC ni say you need see machine is your as we are talking any site into one machine na kan dia afo no south there is all man any site.
Anope ya some na okay.
Yeah.
Anope ya. Okay. Enti sa me ko ho na sensi ho a ana anytime amekwa akoto no ba bia no me the pictures and so be ma wa yenso ye wo pictures and videos machine wo site adwuma. I'll give it to you right here before I go.
And because it's your word against this.
Very good.
It's your and your reporter also confirm say
and you see ruling na ekoso ne nioma ekoso your constituency meaning say rumble style of leadership and one escalate to the national level. Minim say Yewra John Dramani Mahama if he is aware so on a president of Ghana there. I don't know. So we are aware so on a president e Ghana. And ye can and say o man yi mo ha ye freedom of speech and association. Yes, obi antina sen kan say be o kwa cancer matra so abro so. E de bayi e na Sam Jata George anka amfa gay sem ho. Wona wo di sa kon nanim ye say yes sponsor ho nsensem nyina said said Dr. Yewra Mahama be ye mampanyini na say LGBTQ+ ho bill ne ho nsensem wan sign a wan kasa obesori no a demonstration against him. And yes, asem no kan or TV station so a friend anado a pampered spoiled kid. You see, into sounds and some way nyina kekambom na nando dan kwane Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia penso nanso nipa ankasa hwe so bu o man no se de be ye o man ne be koyanim na se ne Sam Jata George wo ade na wudi ho kan ekon ho ntokotwitwa ho ntoro ye na obetena so yi mo say it is no more a priority of the government. One catch say gay any priority of the government bi one catch no survey be no mo ye ehefo ne call Sam Jata George wo ka kire nsa afa de gay no a wo gina so de gi tumi no ama John Dramani Mahama abeya mampanyin na afa de hia Ghana fo bi who said so ye ka kire no eno baba Mando ekoye ho AI images e de kire ne se enura bo se wei ena wo gina simpie so share Ghana fo okay enura ensem we na wo gina so kasa kire Ghana fo mo moto aba de ma wo to his word no more turumu so okay make a crown everything because so airtime. Ujina so de to me o and na ye frelsa sa to me na hoden na that and ye den mita so na wo de pray ye e kan gay ho asem no Sam Jata George Srewa use that same energy to fight it now. What's the priority of the government? E kwa kan wo chichi ye and ne political witch hunting. Wo de hwe the line of enkrofo aye chichi omo anye wuntumi a eya abronye anya abronya ye friend say this famous TikTok guy fancy comedy and omo no more social media.
Why is it only them? I don't know because Kwame Akye 1 2 3 and then bakope I don't know who you met you
if not political witch hunting dear me I cannot say me ye meche me.
Is it not because they are misguided when it comes
it is not so. It is not so. Tina na me kasa me busa say where is tilapia? Meaning say woni me pa. Where is he? Away. And you may be wo hono ma ho, metimi atena ha kan asem bi afa wo ho. It is not say asem no ye nokure na say nye nokure. but it is to test the system and see say if indeed something is going on. Sam Jata George essay Nanado Danko Kufuado no ye gay. No and abwa ama gay air cost Ghana. Now don't your friend say Yura Mahama Beye Mampenyinia or no be see to what to say. Yes, he said so.
And I will say
he said so.
The family member or Nana.
He said so. Nana the family member day.
No, but he put into context reference to
or see Nanado the family members and Nanado is part of the family. Enti isn't on Nanado he was referring to. Nanado family member Ben and no president of Ghana. And Nanado na you see omo kan samu brusu na ye ni omo nko e quarter mile e no master chichi nipa no ye kan kire omo ye democracy na ye chichire no Ghana sesia no it is under threat. It is under threat because omampanyini bia ba a Rambo style of leadership. Oh ya mecho ehunhuna na say ehunhuna no so de ye kan kire omo twene na omo bɔ no ye wo ho asa wo ho na ye betimi asa akosi so omo twene na omo bɔ no e betete.
Thank you very much. Justice.
Young Kwandabisa.
I don't know who teacher so.
Me da sana kwanya de amame da no pay. Na me fa kwanya wiso nchia wutiefo no wabefo. Na machia ofodukromfo. Yankopon ya adoma on the 2nd May. Ekopim on the 16th na NDC BBA your online nominations. They are my branches online. Yeah, we done our things on online. Until your 2nd copy 16th ne be nomination ama afede next month, that is May. Now afede from the same month and on the 20th copy 30th June and na be ye elections no the me fa kwanya be to delegates na and then the branches ye be branch elections before we go to the constituency. So me fa kwanya be so ejo mo ina say that no duru ha they should go and pick the form kwanya na e wo ho mo because ama sisi amukude 2 minutes sisi na mo 10 na ende enti guidelines the guidelines are more we follow guidelines na bibia I find their mama na me san fa akwanya we so nchia me MC follow chrome I on be anwe that. In fact, gentlemen, we are one of the youngest MC or how we juma pa ntene no pai o heti ntime chia no na machia the incoming
human relationship we are very good.
Oh, you see, yes, Sadat they are very open mo bia sana yes, and that is leadership. John Domana Muhammad amma mbebunu no kwan say said about your mate my exhibit on talent and I must show what they can do to help what this nation. Now for the match here, the incoming Asante regional chairman I honorable Isham Alasan Bonsu and pay meaning I pay or hate to Michiano and I pay Isham, yeah.
Oh wow.
Isham is going to win, hands down. I'm telling you.
Maybe
Nyagro.
So I'm happy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Isham.
Yeah.
Isham.
Okay. UTA hey. Nana say the former president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say vice president no say
sounds much democratic credentials or so democracy tina kun ye forefathers we na in the name of democracy afemu by mutiti.
You see Nana, in fact Ghana's democracy today is very strong. Institutions are working. They are not collapsing. You see, I don't know what exactly is under attack or what exactly is an attack. Meaning, Kasana or say the we are buying for freedom of speech. It has limit. Do you know that? Yeah. Freedom of speech has limit. Because of the constitution gives you that freedom. Now, that's a bibia no person where the worker. Or society, you know, you are a journalist or a guy or a TV3 guy and all can say me. Ubusane say ultimate draw na na do no ye or society say Malik Basintele label the former vice president as say or we preko na de ade. In fact, I don't know if he has any evidence to prove that. I don't know.
That is a fact.
It is not a fact. Because if you have evidence to prove for that one, I don't know. But Malik Basintele has never labeled the president as maybe so ye gay so no. That is not true. Into one of the minyan or one or in Cremone or no me. Yes,
and there was
Malik
a picture
Basin
circulating you see a doctor in Jalbia. I don't want to describe
You see
on TV. Because I had the so me quite answer me so.
You know, when some people lose political advantage, they claim democracy today is under threat. When people lose political advantage, they claim today's democracy is under threat because of what is happening. At the end of the day, we end this for at a journalist for the way MPP administration it intimidated Ghanaians. Do you remember the 49 Ghanaians in 2023 and demonstration? Do you know what they did to them? They arrested, assaulted them. Have they forgotten? At that time, democracy wasn't a threat, but today democracy is under threat. You know this current president, certainly John Dramani Mahama is an honest person. He na him. John Dramani Mahama is not a corrupt or an honest person. Look at what even happened in the big pusher, the fourth estate for Edebayi. Yes, Okole said, I'm investigation on that. I am more pensing, would they do that? That is what democracy. So if today MPP and the micro minority in parliament are saying, say, certainly John Dramani Mahama and the NDC government are intimidating them, I think they are confused. You know, MPP is a political party. They don't know. They are confused. They don't know what to do. Because of their 38%, you know. In fact, I don't subscribe to those things. Say obi timadro obi no, those things are not good because you can be sued. Yeah. What I say, you can be sued. But what that our colleague, Amanda or something, Baba Amanda or Amando, Baba Amando, and in fact it wasn't the best. It wasn't the best. And then the law must act. And I don't see this to be an intimidation. I don't see this to be an intimidation. You know the MPPA, so far as they have loose focus, because 38.2% you know, it is hammering them instead of them to organize themselves very well to come 2028. They and then way they tackle about what LGBTQ plus etonsuom jandam le keleno. They don't even know what to do. Adetianama kawe, Adetianama sowe, now we push it to this. We are intimidating them. In fact, the micro minority are confused. Intimidation, I can say, today's democracy, it is not under threat. Today's freedom of speech is allowed. Unim, ama penso the amode here is certainly John Dramani Mahama. They label John Dramani Mahama as a drunkard.
And is it revenge time?
It is not a revenge. But today, freedom of speech, because Ghanaians are enjoying the economy, the mess they created. No, and Yankopa ya dom ayi Ghana for free nkwasumu ama NDC aba nema bo form. You know, kase fuel kosoro and fuel for me bwana. Minu me ina nimse yatifu also.
I like that. Mean to me kase fuel from but make say yatifu also.
Yes. But and then me no kase. Aye omu penso na nkasa mbre. Israel, Iran, American war ya they will never accept the blame. Kasambre and we there will be excuses. Look at the amo penso Russian Ukraine Russia Ghana for bre. Ye kwa say Russian Ukraine ye kwa say COVID-19. Also they don't want to accept responsibility. They don't want to take blame. But this president is a president or person will leave a good legacy for Ghanaians, or a president he is open for everybody. And so if my brother is saying, say, the democracy today is a threat there, I think he's not being fair, and they don't even know what they're saying. They don't know what they're saying. You Captain Smart, Kwame Nkwantabisa, you more than 21 times a month for expressing himself, the frustration that they are banning your name and then Kosono.
Property. To the extent it will be personal bedroom and
how can that be an intimidation? Because we and I know say untimi because unya warrant untimi they have a court warrant before they enter the house. They didn't just enter the house just in it. But propaganda na mo
and not doing their work per se. By 7 on man, depending on and all that. the star. I think that is what a full problem.
So are they having a problem with how they enter into the house?
That is what they are saying.
What is the problem about?
Say Ubini now they Jack then be any were breaking into it, or because they were warrant without even looking for the proper measure for them to open the door and all that. It's not Rambo.
So there is not a Rambo star. That's how they would describe it. It's not a Rambo star. It is not a Rambo star. Even if he was in the house, I was told that he wasn't in the house. I'm entire. But then he pointed to Hana. So So I don't see what they are saying. They are more canny. It looks like they want to play politics around it. They want to play politics about it. And then I can't drip on myself. I will clarify you. For now, the MPP, the agenda is Amosoha na enye anamako. They don't even know what they want to do. So they should focus on organizing themselves. Look at what the doctor from Kamakwen is doing, the Asante Regional Minister. Look at what Kinzo is also doing. And they call him a TikTok minister.
All right.
They will keep on calling him a TikTok minister. At the end of the day, 2028, Asante Region, For now, 47, we have 7, and they have 40. But 2028, you see what will happen.
From 740.
Yes, yeah, chemo pepe.
Okay.
Mark my words.
All right, I'm not in the right position to doubt you, Pacho. Me actually baby, a quick one now for you, the next one. Young teacher for the and I'll be starting with justice, but all Roberta be you feel.
Yeah, I can't say Yakura Masoko Fujuma at them.
Yeah.
Unlawfully, also Mukita warrant. Now, say, we police in your mouth too. Say, Fako check room for. Say, your mouth too, and to wish you are from for no one to another.
But more paper, yeah, warranty there.
Can he prove it? Can he prove it? Say, Omukura Masoko Fujuma them. No Mukita warrant. Can he prove it?
Some mechanics say, with that warrant. We intend some will be raw with that warrant. And
to honor, you say he who alleges, the honor is on him to prove. Until on my that warrant now, Omukura Maso. Now we check a state property at Masoko Fujuma them. And them on a wall. And they see. You see? And some people on my wall can't. No, I careful, I can't, no, I guided. What's the answer? Ashanti Regional Minister. He's working, he's this. He's the same person. More party ba Wendell. I can't tell and say, oh, yeah, I'm saying. Ashanti Regional Minister now, then I will praise him. He's the same person. The NDC party ba Wendell. I say Ashanti Regional Minister. Oh, yeah, I'm saying.
But you heard Ashanti Regional Minister, so I say, oh, yeah, I'm saying that.
Debbie, from the same Mekoku, and I'm about that now, I can't ask them. Can you see what is the one that I quote? What is a Senipana canas what me abacasa and yampa? This is your dignity. What you say? Your name is at stake. And irrespective so your party ban as when your party man from Marana to baby a da, then serve as a deterrent to others. It is a me, maybe cockans and for fraud, yeah, me young people in it. See a baby to me. You see, and 70 people on my moody share Dumuni dying. Murifikun. A corner ankasa or murifi, and pay, meaning say it is part of your way a baby home commodia. Share a quaint pa OSP Huns and Semi Ghana, ye de faso. If our democracy system is not under attack, and then
that's it. My memory justice. So teachers know finally are buying SEO or Babitria Kana Kem, but they still have issues. 2023 the GS4 AUM they buy and non count, but a bunch of training in bed in batches 4 months. I could do November 2025.
Yeah, yes. Nana, there were delays, but the most important thing is government has acted. In Tiana, sometimes when it comes to education, for instance, I don't want to play politics about it. Even politicians, we can do our politics. But when it comes to education, yes, mbebunu be school. Ejuma sembe ye omude. Na Nyankopon ya adom no benye ejuma ye. Na ade no no de obeye ejuma fo mfie mi ensa period of months ne yentua ne ka ya na ha adwen pa. You're very, very serious. And so if the finance ministry say now what can they, there were delays, and then I will admit. You know, it is a process.
Yeah, now we give a financial clearance. We show wanting to pay them.
Yes, and I may say, you know, everything is a process. You cannot get up and then started doing everything. You know, the fourth estate, I think 3 days ago, you see the expose be a model concern about people were into payroll na the idea mutria be onye dwuma o so no je akatua ghost names na the more pencil we saw what happened and na be correctly under who say na be is even an investigation. Are you aware of that? National service issue. So in terms of this, so I am happy there is something like this coming up. So I would admit that the government is a listening government, and then he's acting to make sure teachers are being paid. Because when recently concerned about even the recruitment issue about you know this current government, and I'm saying Anna's government utie Ghana for initially no announce say nanko obe employed 50,000, right? But later on omu hwe and omu say 50,000 they can't afford the 50,000 because vacancies are only 7,000. So the Minister of Education even came to announce to Ghana and say at least 7,000 obetime. Onye honest is honest, but omu pension they will not admit and do what the current Minister of Education is doing. Within your BA portal, within I think April 10th from the BA portal, within 48 to 72 hours. Now people that moyede enter into the portal na about a bursary 40,000 in terms of kepe on app, which some I was even saying your other sister station said what I know it in fact because governance is a process. If MPP Wama Penso amu claim say they employed over 93,820 teachers there, and can these issues and other things here you face in Cameroon have been here. If they claim there are inconsistencies in the dorsal. At the betchen and a poor declare say at the betchen a lot of figures. And I believe say it is a good call, and then this government is committed for education because the more now share now in the olden days now people don't want to go into teaching. It is like in the olden days no we school na say oko training college for education na teacher training college na so wa bon obi wo na say oko technical vocational school na yempe. But today it's so difficult to even go to the training college. And there are kondo ama bia ban at the nema pagu akwan mu a oguso ode no makwan gu apamta ma obi kondo teaching. You get it? And it's a good call, I must say. It's a good call. So let's prioritize teachers and the education. So sometimes I don't want to do politics with what? Education, but you know that's what they will do.
I can't woman here, a bunch of Bia Nabisi November 2025. Collation no Namine or Mon Secretary Casa, no, 2023, dear no, Abayan Kamushi. And so much year to November 2025, and there will still be a deficit of December to the month of April because still only as we go through child here. This is where we are.
Medase, when him Makokra can send me say Ucha Kuntumpo Puma a 2 Kromo Quanswa, Nipa Bonifo, a Fasobem. Is he? Why should the labor suffer to get the food due him or her? Ujuma yeni ayene juma wie na all patch or semestro for market to your mammy. Why should it happen? Enye Ghana. NDC baba imui, what to say? Okuja to ablakwa, wasebo sumiaso, na ketu yama. What to say, John Dramani Mahama, I say ne bosumi we aketu ya de, mamuntuya, next month. Teacher ni aketu ya, say. Nenso sankrofo we ya, teacher fo we ya, nurses fo we ya, ena John Dramani Mahama, ekodin troke sie ahuhisem. Some fantinicas would be a whisama what I say. A kɛseɛ kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔno ɔba he is putting them on automatic posting and payment. John Dramani Mahama and a share teacher for Weibo. Me ba automatic. We school na ne afa. Ye fa na no waka to ye ba.
But you never deny yourself. You still have to go through the system.
For over 16 months. For over 16 months. Almost 1.5 years. Obeye mampenyini. Teacher nien sanka na ketua. O say it is in the process. Now ministers na ubedi aban na o appointee wo no under article 88 no. So those government appointees no. Ya wo fa wo mo adwuma no. Omumu hwan ene di bo so me pa ho ansa na ketua ba.
Na say baby you can say bo so more time we ya get 2024 kan ho.
And me say into processes nko a. Within that 2024 we say na election year.
Yeah.
What you say?
But still under your watch.
Yes, men deny that fact. Time ben no mu school. Time ben na election cause so processes ben na who told you say san your man kwa na yenye under our watch. Wo ba ye from 2025 ebesinne. Omo within this space no. Tua obi aka. Na de be mpo na say e ma ne nya onwanwa. E ma ne nya onwanwa. Koko kuani na wono akora ado ne koko. Eti na afuom edi koko aba na brewo no waje asi ho abro afe nso awe ekobuzumi nsiani waje koko beans na si ho se mini kapre de mawo ebinum kra patch o se wo de beans ne fa maye yem fa mfa kire han koko divu ankwagie sika eno nso o se lalai. You see enti teacher ni a wono a hye da afa na adwuma e de obetu aneka. Don't forget say John Dramani Mahama nko a ana ne pen so teacher for ye adwuma wo kuruma no mfie miensa nanso otimi kofa policy bi ba ye tua bosomi miensa pe na Nkwantabisa megidi so remfi ye John Dramani Mahama in the history of this country my teacher for ye adwuma mfie miensa he paid only 3 months. What is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. The other year ohene a wosere no wo ye bi ma akoa wosere okuje to abra kwa Sam George Basintali mo what is about you akem. It is not their priority. Master, teacher for no. Mo hear this for no.
What is say? Appointee Isaac Akam.
It is appointee ni sika nkemu a. De wo ma sa appointee ni nyansa. E ma ne be ya appointee no de kwa mone no. De wo ma sa appointee ni nyansa. E ma ne be ya appointee no. If it is a system error, who cause am?
That is the problem they have been facing.
Now who cause them? Is it not an incompetence under John Dramani Mahama?
But I can't say I say fine.
Yeah, who be pay you?
Then will you say 2023, 2024? Would you also say our government was incompetent at that time?
No way. No way. Mami chere wadi bi. Die ntia me se ente saa no. Se abanya oba beko. Eja ne nioma nyina to ho pepepe. Oba be free so no say ye were transitional. Did it came up? Did it came up? Say na do dankwa the teacher for worker. Now it is part of the debt also abiding to ya. Those new money nyina no capture. It was in process. Ama wo ba do obekaya and agenda 111 ho nsensem na do ayedu ba bi etwetua bi ho ka nyina awie no omo ba omo say auditing issues bi ne neoma bi procurement and prob ti omo sa dey call under auditing e delay no abesi ne menebo ba akokora ye mfa bi nka ho ma me fa nko mikro mankra nso na do danko akufu ado ne Dr. Mahmoud Bamia eyi kwai for the first time e wo ye constituency e kwai ne ehun bi da from people to tepa e ye wurakofo ne be ye na do nanko akufuado ne pen so asa ba be ye na asphalt from people so say twam kunsu enkrofo we di atoro ka kira manfo so mo ba ya o mo ba betoa so awie e de atwam tepa busa so mo ba ye bo ba ko pempo enti sa ne o ma ne de we know them say sa ne o mo te no mo ba o mo di ntro no mo de aba be gitumi entro no mo di ye no poma bone na o mo twato wo mo krom kwan so no e na nipa bone afa so de aba mu enne nipa na wachira de woma appointee bi nyansa amenne appointee ni ya appointee oye government appointee o di sika kese ne ho allowance no oni yentua ne ka appointee ni sika de waje. You see, it is so painful. Now it is a clear incompetence under this John Dramani Mahama because we ye bi pen am yehu wa ma teacher fo aye adwuma mfie miensa twe nyame anim atu obaka so miensa pen enti de wono wa we dawro no wo se na ba no ene wo de di agora wo gina chinyi.
Thank you, baby. That's a spam.
You know, Nana. Nana. You know, Ghanaians are not interested in what noise. They want resource, and this government is delivering, strengthening institutions, protecting democracies, and responding to the workers' needs. So meanwhile, it is never true, say, in our era in 2016, teachers 4 years, Juma 3 years. It is never true. You can verify. Proof. It's never true that Xavier Dela teachers for 3 years. Now, you're trying to 3 months.
And he suffered it. He suffered it. Xavier Dela,
this current government are putting measures in place. So say we're 20% teacher that initiative now announced by the Deputy Minister of Education, Honorable Clement Apak, last month. These are the things this government are doing for teachers. So we are sitting here to say that during our era in 2016, Ghanaian teachers worked 3 years and we paid them 3 months. It's never true. Or more proof.
Very fortunately, we are in this in crowd.
What I know about that issue, but I have to come in. I said NDC part 1 by no museum auditing. Some of these things are. In fact, baby, Adam was at that time. Any people draw what room to feel, don't do payroll ma, you treat your mukanya. So, they use a technical name for SAR system, cleaning of the system. In fact, it been a 3 months pay, but it was subject to interpretation. Say, if you all ma, what backdating there, you say, or buy there 1 year, but. In reality, time was shared to myself, 3 months. I don't more on records. And it's a month now, there was in a which you because the auditors show set 3 months paid on year, so they paid them for the 3 months.
How come now after audit, no so who say, or monsoon or more 3 years on my year, you might genuinely, yen to become a seminia.
Oh, we are no more
Bosumi miensa what the one ni bre frigana kwa kwatena buchire what the one ni bre etwa frigana kwatena buchire
man say bi ono no ye adwuma wanya but obi anu o mantuanika they paid almost everyone. Now me detailed of that you know
under whose regime
the problem
under whose regime enye no kre
under why regime
enye no kre o jawo mo hokoye o tua 3 months no won ye to abade tia no na
he said obujai. Oh, baby, this your much.
Minim sa no peruka sama NDC dia.
What's in the reference now? It's fair. Yeah, this is
so. And what I can say is say, me na oka about hammering about say intimidate mono. We cannot, in one hand demand what independence. In other way, complain about what institutions acting independently. So if today they are saying this government proves that he's doing the right thing. The rule of law is working, especially OSPA issue na all kano. And I believe that amumu parents who are OSP office by they intentionally bought this office to nail NDC. That's why they intentionally appointed NDC lawyer Martinemi to say Omeritante NDC for. Yenti kromo hana mother serpent of corruption.
Yes, I saw them. You saw them. Baby, this year them. Medasi. There be a free democracy. 0548931931. 0554931931. Yemfa course neka crack na fe birthday say ho. And so your birthdays, you know. Hello, good morning.
Nana, Nkwantabisa, the longest name. We have a taxi driver.
I'm watching the taxi.
That's a member of LPG Media in a public land. My million of the media old center. Incoming chairman who is here. And then I'm going to Kuka Ake. Now, one who do for a teacher one. I say, Mahama, and one I'm cutting person, and then I a teacher for. And the president, Mahama, now, will send you on the Illuminano, not a ball on the way, and maybe a chairman of president. And then I got out for a fire and a fire. If the acquaintance will be a wire crack, so I will be a what else, you know, so that's a very crack. You need a chin. So there's Mahama message for every do not change flag years. And of course, I'm telling you, I'm telling them out. Now, I think that's 4 o'clock. Why the demonstration of the crowd? Just stop. Because we wish to value on wake up way. Why you do not in Jaka? Now, we get demonstration here, say, the air payment plan, 1 month the mouth and the payer. No, bad you we get body with. You are not commanding 1 year. You just from my said, you are not also a bad. You can help body to know. Just the new set on the wall. It can be sure that I just want to play like a yes. Yeah, there's a name I almost I will do it myself.
That's how I see. Thank you. There are messages here, Nene. Yes, I know. Every TV pa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Minya.
Yes, boss.
Good afternoon. We're going to sign. We're going to be sorry. Junior by me. Now, I'm talking to you. In fact, somebody I do my friend and I'm about to I don't have a Friday for doing kind of interview. And NTP do part of what with my person, who are also a phone beer for position beyond phone beer, but man, I put you 1,005. I thought I could put yourself one of the Friday to do that. I don't tell you a detail. Meaning, I did tell you, you mean, sir, NDC, you know, selling it to Jennifer. You said that you don't want me to here. Because open up maybe a training, almost a teacher course at 3 years, almost a 10 months to come on them. And then to do unity. The teacher needs to look up at the other, I will be asked to people of it. And that room, after room, the next room, doctor to next room, if it's that, never be now more apart from children. And I could be say, almost any simple enemy. Now, because I, the moon is many years, I'm not sure, I didn't know. And this about one million. If you don't have a hard because you are president, not people and so you Seneca. What I say. After 4 hours, and I make fun of the new kind of month also. What I say, this is a local and they are 6 tickets for me. If you can know the month now, all the you don't want to cook our problem. The buckle you do, no, they have to fire up a bunch of the background. Number 2 is from a 3 months. Let me be said, and the month not coming. Morning, here.
Then I say, hello, good morning.
Good morning. Kwame Nkwantabisa.
Yes, my boy.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm telling you, you can't show when you can supply the sea. Just for that, anybody. When you should be in Yakoda, also in Ghana, it's Yakodan Saka. Because the chance, you yourself in the country, or you are the work the money. Look at them, you just cast a few among company discussion. Let's say, someone wants to cut every year. Okay. To be a really scar, see a present budget. Not okay, a man per se. Also, you in your report with the mask.
That's a pa. Mama, your birthday, some time also. By your birthday, nah, answer. All right. So happy birthday to Ernest Osei. And as today is your birthday, gentlemen, may God see you through this year. May the blessings of God be your portion. Nyame ema na dom no enkoso nya kese oso. Ernest afia to ma wani nye na nyame kan ho. Happy birthday. More blessings, best wishes. Sanso na neye ma woda happy birthday to Beatrice Asante Senior and Beatrice Asante Junior. Way free master planner ho ata ne ata. Happy glorious birthday. Yamema mo double portion of whatever more share. Moya twin Bibianya double beautiful twins. Happy birthday. God bless you and see you through. Master plan and so say Omamo Awodapa. And happy birthday to Saidi Tofik. Saidi Tofik. To my finest friend, Saidi Tofik, aka Onana. May your day be filled with vibe, cake, and happiness, and more years ahead of you. Enjoy your day, Onana, from Kwame na acidity for Acheria na Omao Awodape. And Onana, happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Sheila Ampia Opoku from Auntie Doris. Skylar, oh mame, Auntie Doris say, o saying I'm so mame paying teach you. Oh my asking until in a good way. Happy birthday to you, Skylar. And I would then my ninja, then who say, oh mame mutawa chipapa, auntie mutawa chipapa. Happy glorious birthday to you, Skylar Ampia Opoku. Beautiful young girl. Happy birthday. On that note, thank you, gentlemen. Teacher Constitution, we are Mwasi. Teacher Kujo Tepen, so Ibo Boating, Mami K Papa B. One will share live the message. Ben, a very good morning to all of you. Sports for Tanasi. Amba Pa, the team now ready to serve us. If Ramana Kwame